Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add dispersion equation in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open our Word document. Now we want to add dispersion equation in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the equation option and go to the More Equation from office.com. Then find the dispersion equation. Here the dispersion equation. Now we click to insert. Then we can see we added dispersion equation in this document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.